everyone, my name's Barney and I'm the Head of Sustainability here at the Bufori Evie team at Le Regent International School, based here in Crans-Montana, Switzerland. And I want to tell you what makes this an ecological car.
The car has an efficient electric motor, offering a clean, green driving experience with zero emissions. It has eco-friendly tyres made from sustainable materials, giving extra grip and reducing the vehicle's negative impact on the environment. So that's our Bufori Evie, ready to race towards a greener future.